This is John Connor. If you're listening to this, you are the Resistance.
Listen carefully. If we attack tonight, our humanity is lost.
Command wants us to fight like machines. They want us to make cold, calculated decisions. But we are not machines. And if we behave like them, then what is the point in winning?
Command is going to ask you to attack Skynet.
I am asking you not to. If even one bomb drops on Skynet before sunrise, our future will be lost.